And now, Mulan and friends are honored to share the beautiful Chinese traditions and heritage of this joyous holiday. Please join them in welcoming Mushu as we celebrate the Year of the Horse. And the further dances are two of Mushu's favorite ancient art forms. They represent beauty, grace, and delicacy. And now, Mulan and friends are honored to share the beautiful Chinese traditions and heritage of this joyous holiday. Please join them in welcoming Mushu as we celebrate the Year of the Horse. The blooming flower is a comforting symbol for Mulan, as her father taught her that she would blossom beautifully in her own time. The spirited dragon dance is one of Mulan's favorite traditions. She learned from her ancestors that the wise and powerful dragon dances across the sky to scare away bad luck and bring good fortune in the new year. When Mulan was a little girl, her mother taught her that tradition. The ribbon dance was performed for royalty as an expression of gratitude and honor. Mulan loves the swirling colors for the ribbons. Mulan learned to respect the strength and discipline of the martial arts for her father. This is a wonderful celebration rich heritage bringing from that father. And the further dances are two of Mushu's favorite ancient art forms. They represent beauty, grace, and delicacy.
Under the glow of the new moon, cultures near and far celebrate the Lunar New Year. Friends and family gather together to welcome a bright new year. It is a time of reflection, feast, and wishes of good fortune for all. And now, let us follow the little lantern as it begins its journey home.
the moon is new again, the lunar year will start. It's time to make your journey home, little lantern. Keep following your heart. All your family and friends will welcome you this New Year's Day. So hurry home, little lantern. Don't let the dragon Mushu lead you astray. May a banquet of deliciousness mean good luck will be increased. So make your way home, little lantern. Imagine a most delightful feast. Through the mountains and fog, the waning moon shines bright and clear. As we reflect upon our past and wish upon the brand new